so this is the highest. Firewall, radar strike, tumblers. Right. Engage. Firewall. For the first one, you just have to stay in the middle. But then if you go going faster and you have to move from right to left. You use the arrow keys. Look how fast this works. Let's try passing the firewall. Let's try that. Right here. Going a bit easy on us. No. Oh, man, that was so close. Right there. That's so close. Retry. You know what? I'm gonna practice firewalls. This is the hardest. It tells you what to do and what to do. But come on, let's go with firewall. I'm breaking into the firewall, trying to get into this person's system. Because I'm a secret agent and I'm a secret agent spy, trying to make sure this person did nothing wrong. I need to get his information. I need to get the information to shut this company down. I'm so close. This is my first time doing a firewall. No, right there. Right here. I did it. I passed the firewall. Now, let's see. We're gonna try circuit masters. Now I'm gonna circuit masters thing. Where is it? Right here. And then maybe the square one goes somewhere here. And then I saw the plus sign go, it's the plus over there. This circle goes over here. Right, over here. This goes here. Yes. Alright, so far time to yeah, the code. Let's get to the code. There's these four. Let's try random one. Alright. We got it in our second try. This means correct. This means correct, but wrong is wrong. If it's red, that means incorrect. Alright, let us try this. So maybe this is triangle. No, it is. Got the code. Yeah. Let's try code right here. Chip mating someone's place and then I failed. Time to get this. Alright, found safest spots on how to get there. Go here. Thank you. There's two more. Alright. Found a way. I'm gonna go through here. Alright, we need two more spaces. Oh, the key's right there. I can get that key and then escape. Okay. Alright, got the key. Oh, now it's unlocked. Alright, I didn't even need to go there. Maybe I could do this all in one go. You see the other. Navigator, alright. Need to get him in those two spots. Alright, go there. Okay, I'm doing it. I need to make sure I don't run out of battery for me using it. Alright. Radar strike. Engage, alright. Where do I go? What am I supposed to do? Let's try getting back into the system. Alright, great. Alright. Alright. I guess that's it. I mean, like, I have to do more member stuff. 0 coins earned. I forgot. Anyway, see, I am a secret ninja. Alright, let me go to my igloo and redecorate it because I just gotta remember today. Oh, never mind, it's already decorated. Oh wow. I don't think we're gonna need some of this purple stuff. I wonder how you got here. Actually, I am gonna need some of this purple stuff if you're wondering. Move to igloo. 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 Alright, then we go back to my igloo too. Okay, we're all here. You are hungry. Go there. There's a food bowl over there. There's some stuff over here you could do, you know. I don't get where I got that motorcycle from. Let me check buy items. Alright, let's see what was the latest stuff. My future furniture. These are cool. Oh wait, I already bought those stuff before I feel like it. Oh, this is for the airport. This is for the airport. Let me have an airport though. Alright, time to get an airport. I want you to move. No, I don't want you to follow me. Let me edit igloo. Edit. I want my airplane one. Then I have an airplane. I want an airplane. Where's the airplane? Yes. Alright, finally I got my airplane. And just in case I want another pilot, I'm gonna need another pilot seat. I got this from a long time ago. I actually only bought 2 pilot seats and I didn't need one since it comes this one. Anyway, I bought 8 of this. I want like 2 in each one. Let me get it to sit right next to it. Alright, like this. Oopsies. I don't get it. I just want like 2 people like to have games. Alright, that's it. Well, those who have games, these 2 can watch me pilot. Only 4 seats allowed, please. Only 8 people allowed. Sorry. Run all the way at the end, I guess. And then here is the waiting keys. These are the people who have to wait in line. How do you rotate things again? Like that, okay. Alright. These are people who are waiting in the back to get in the airport. They're already in the airport. If you need to wait, you're gonna need this though to like be able to get in, then wait for your turn. Wait for your turn here. Wait for people to call you. Remember, you gotta wait. And actually, let me just move this a bit here. Like, because you're gonna need a pathway when you're gonna, like, if you need to escape, right? Anyway, yeah, you got one over here. I'm leaving it like this. Anyway, you gotta you get your popcorn here, get your popcorn here. I'm gonna add another station right here. Oh, a bit too big. You think you can get this a bit smaller? Yep, get your popcorn here. Oh, I want popcorn. Well, come here and get them. The only airport with popcorn and the only airport where you could get popcorn, you know. Alright, I need 10C. Alright, let's see. Is there any station like, I don't know, like a popcorn station? But I'm gonna need like a table. I don't know, wait. No, we don't need a table. Well, this airport doesn't need this airplane doesn't need a table. Oops. No, too big. Alright. We got a cheeseburger stand. You can also buy a cheeseburger. Let me just move this over here. A cheeseburger stand in the you know, here. No one's gonna need this. Alright. Come here and get them. And also, there's also a table. I don't know why anyone would need a table, but I just feel like they need it. Anyway, best airport ever. Oopsies. And then you can also leave from here. Yeah! Look at this place. I'm gonna need to change my shirt. Alright, let's see. Head items, I'm gonna need to be an airport person, so I need to wear like a captain hat since I am at the captain place thingy. Oh no, I forgot to leave the puffles outside. Alright. Best airplane ever. Is this a conductor hat? Nope, doesn't look like one. It could be, but then again, I could not be. I see a police officer hat. There's a hat. There's a conductor hat. I need a conductor hat. Alright, I'm just calling this a conductor hat. Right now, let's see. Oh, this is a train hat. Oh, great. Alright, let's see. What would be good for a conductor hat? So far, I'm gonna leave a police on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. That's cool. Alright, face. I don't think I would need any face item. Oh, what's this? Epic glasses. Cool. How about face paint? No, I don't want any face paint. Now let's try neck items. A person who flies into space and who flies in the air would wear I'm just wearing a whistle just in case. Body. This is the really hops thingy emergency. I need a conductor hat. Conductor costume. A conductor costume. And then hand items. No, it's a ghost one, no wonder. Right, let's see. Imagine that. That actually would be cool. Let's see. Alright now. Not right now. I'm wearing this. Best conductor ever. And I'm just wearing these shoes. These ones look cool actually. Best airship ever! You get puffles with them. No, puffles out. Puffles out! Never mind. Alright, let's see. What happens if I do the dance? Oops. Alright, let's try dancing. and then see what happens. Oh, no, I want to dance. Let's dance, and then, no, so then how do you use these gloves? Oh, I guess I'm going to leave it like that. So anyway, guys, hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, anyway, bye.